Hey guys, how are you all? Upcoming Motorola's phone Moto One Pro will sport a quad camera setup, and this is Motorola's first quad camera smartphone in its flagship segment. As you can see in the pictures, the camera hump is rectangular, giving equal space to the four lenses arranged in a square manner, and there is an Motorola logo too. There is not enough room for the camera flash here, but it is been given in the side of the quad camera setup. The phone is expected to launch as Motorola One Pro, or with some unique name Motorola is launching this phone, but we are expecting that this phone could be Motorola One Pro. The device also sports a 6.2 inch of an OLED display, which gives you an immersive display experience. Definitely Motorola will launch this phone with a huge battery and other technologies, like it may come with, as we cannot see any physical fingerprint scanner. The rare side, this phone may come with an in-display fingerprint scanner. So other than that, though, this phone may have 5000 mAh of battery with the fast charging support, and it will cost you around $450 to $550. Yes, Motorola is keeping the aggressive pricing for their smartphone because of the expensiveness. The smartphone sales was not much in the year 2017 and 2018. In 2019, Motorola is trying different thing, giving more specification, giving more unique phones with the latest technologies, but the phones are coming with aggressive pricing. So this is all about the Motorola One Pro, the quad camera smartphone from Motorola. So if you like the video, please hit the like button, and whatever you feel about the Motorola One Pro, the quad camera smartphone from Motorola, please comment in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.